OnePlus 8 features a versatile triple camera setup on the back and has a punch hole cutout on the front for the selfie camera. The 48 megapixel primary camera on the OnePlus 8 uses the Sony IMX586 sensor with an f1.75 aperture. It supports optical image stabilization as well as electronic image stabilization for creating detailed pictures and stable videos. The camera app also allows the 48 megapixel camera to provide up to 2x digital zoom and can record in 4K at up to 60 frames per second. There is a 16 megapixel secondary ultra wide angle camera with 116-degree field of view and an f2.2 aperture. This camera allows you to capture a vast landscape and add more elements into the frame. The third camera uses a 2 megapixel macro lens with an f2.4 aperture and enables you to take detailed close-up shots. You can go as close as 4 centimeters to the subject to capture a clear shot. The cameras can shoot super slow motion videos at up to 480 frames per second and has a dedicated nightscape mode for creating stunning low light images. OnePlus has also fine-tuned its camera software algorithms to detect pets in the frame and reduce motion blur to take a clear picture. OnePlus 8 has a 16 megapixel selfie camera on the front that uses a Sony IMX471 sensor and an f2.45 aperture. It also comes with a dedicated portrait mode for selfies. So that was a quick overview of the triple cameras on the OnePlus 8. Thanks for watching.